It is a cloudy weather today, and we four of us decided to take our tea together on the rooftop. Although quite cold, amongst our friends were two students who are preparing for the competitions, and one who had recently got selection and was also married. After discussion on some topics related with the competition and the current affairs, obviously the matter turned towards the recent experience gained by the married person. He shared his experience, saying that one should always approach his wife with a smiling face. This meant that he had gained enough maturity to look into this aspect relating with the emotional relations existing, emotional bond existing between husband and wife. Obviously, he meant by saying that a husband should keep away all his botherations and worries outside home, and while entering home from his office and field of work, he should be calm and quiet, comfortable, cool, and smiling, so that this would give a welcoming impression upon the wife, and she would be more happy in welcoming her husband who is coming after the day long work, which is not only tiresome but also exhaustive. This would energize the wife would give a fresh energy to take care about her husband, to provide tea, snacks, to talk the things which she spent and faced in the daytime. Thus, there would be a session of dialogue between both of them. On the tea and snacks, both of them would be sharing their talks. So, meaning thereby, a cool and comfortable posture of husband, free from all worries, would encourage the wife to share her experience, and in turn would encourage the husband also to share his experience with her. Sharing experience is also important between the two, because this helps them to mature by the experience of others. It is also true that everyone cannot experience in every field. Household field, she is the manager. Work field, husband is the manager. If the wife is a housewife and she has enormous amount of points and topics to discuss with her husband, because the husband is the only person upon whom she can trust fully, emotionally also. At the same time, a smiling face does not mean that husband has to be all time submissive, because a all time submission by the husband may not give a correct picture of the thoughts, ideas, personality of the husband in the mind of his wife. And at the same time, the husband may have to feel sometimes suppressed, subdued, and compromised. A maintaining a stance which is cool, comfortable, serious, sometimes shows gravity, shows depth in the husband. The depth is also important because wife sometimes looks for the depth in her husband. She expects that whatever she says, she shares with her husband. Husband gives a proper thought over it, attentively hears it, sometimes puts her own ideas into it, sometimes enlightens the wife, sometimes guides her. So, in this way, the emotional bonding gets strengthened between husband and wife, which is very important. So, gravity and smiling face is very important, and one should always understand that amongst newly wed couple, the wife just a few months or year before was a girl, most beloved girl, a daughter of her family. And the moment she enters into her husband's family, she is expected to have fully matured to handle the responsibility of a in-laws house. Such an expectation is, although not well founded, time is very important. A girl, a young girl, a beloved daughter also requires some time to get matured to shoulder the responsibility of a wife, of so that she could well take care of her in-laws, parents-in-laws, the brothers of and sisters of his husband. Enough time should be afforded to the new young girl who comes in her husband's family. And first friend, most trustworthy friend is the husband. Husband should always be standing as a strong pillar to always give emotional support to his wife. One should know that the emotional support is required by husband as well as by the wife. As when a husband comes back home, he also requires that someone should give him love, emotions, some sort of um, embrace and a smile. So, the maturity on the part of husband also leads to a better and matured emotional relations between husband and wife. And such relations where maturity and emotion both exist, such relations between the husband and wife last forever.